So we're going to remove the intake, and then we join onto that, and we take that into a bucket. You're going to go through this sensor, that sensor right there, which you're going to spray through that little tube into that manifold right here. And it'll spray and clean all of the, so it sprays right there and goes into EGR valve, sprays into the cooler, and it goes right out of the cooler out. Okay, we're ready to roll. We can start cleaning. Do the clean process, 9 times out of 10 you'll save that turbo. As long as it hasn't wrecked anything electronically, but 9 times out of 10 you'll save it.